don't need to go on with a bag of things because I line up your hat. You see what we play the next song? Any man with that boom boom, you're a professional batty boy.
Yeah.
And you come out of your mother, you're a batty boy. The girl let me a batty boy. Into you get that clear way as a. You see what little bit of something last year. Don't put on it bad. 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 Don't put on it put on it to make something. Put on it to make something. Put on it. If I'm a water, don't wear a band. Put on it in my pants.
Good evening, guys. Good evening. Hey, you see, I get 2 hours, we're just throwing something there. We play something more subtle. All right.
Too much of a good thing. On Vinted, you can sell the things that take up space in all kinds of categories.
Hello, Sarah.
With no selling fees. Don't use it, sell it.
The sweet shade, I see the one, she be that lady. You creeping, I can see it from.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening.
And just get me my table. Bleeding your over.
She's right there.
All on the floor. Give me some more smack that till you get so smack that. Oh, all on the floor smack that. Give me some more smack that till you get so smack that. Oh.
And this one, have you coming? Because good evening. I asked one of them on damnation question.
I feel it on and crack now. Oh, I see it on and crack now. Then I put them back down. Ain't no problem. I put it back down. Then you creeping, I can see it from my shadow.
Hi, Shanice.
Up in my Lamborghini Gallardo. Baby, don't do my best and just can't get like title. Possibly been over. Back in the
All right, guys. Let's see what we can. Hi, Anishka. Good evening. Good evening. Let's see if we can get into the continuation for 51S. He did a nice little push up from earlier. Market kind of slow because remember I said a weekend, so you can get some of them crawl. You know, you never feel like you move today now, but you move today. 1 cocoa full basket. All right, so we want to break and close above there. 25 1S, don't budge from this, so 10 1S, the push up in a profit come back down. 75 1S sitting at the same place. Big 75 did push back, all right. So these not quite ready yet. Right, 91S is ready. Ooh, look on a piece of buyer. Mighty Daniels. Right, guys, anybody want to take 91S? You can get in for the buy. Remember, the lowest lot size is 0.10. So 91S for the buy, guys. All right, stop loss for 91S is going to be 97. Oh, oops, wrong place. All right, stop loss for 91S 9788.0. So 91S for the buy, guys. When we get in myself, come here as I enter the trade, let me there. All right, so 91S for the buy. Stop loss 9788.0. Anytime I touch 12 o'clock, I don't know if I did drink magic potion at church. When it comes on to 12 o'clock, my voice gone. No, sir. You know it's a regular something for me. Not young go so. That mean I have no voice box left. Right. Anybody want to take step index? Step 100. The lowest lot size is 0.10 though, so just be mindful of the lot size. So step 100, stop loss is going to be 796, 2.3 for step index. It's been sitting down here the whole day, so hopefully we can get a little bit of push up out of that area. So I'm so I'll go to the John shop here. So all right. 75 I set up in a guys. That's why I go to the John shop this so. All right. These not ready yet. Well, other need to fix somewhere. Right, 51S, we wait for the break and close this. So 101S, they push up in a profit, come back down. We look for a continuation. All right, so we're going to John shop. Thanks for the tops, guys. Mr. Shorty, as soon as you come off of the call, BTC push up. Mr. When me look one big old can go come from now. Remember, so we there wait for the break and close, right? I say now. As soon as you come off of the call, one big buy. Gone about it business. So if we were on the call, we couldn't catch it because we get the break and close right here. So yes, as soon as you come off, the one, I don't know which part of the can gonna come from there. One big old can just push up, buying power from over the weekend. But from then, it just come back down and it's been sitting at the same place. So now it has set up back again right here. So it's setting back up for the buy right there. But yeah, it's been consolidating the whole week. Look there. All week it a consolidate. So I wouldn't be surprised. The understand said the buying power them kicking like that. But they do a nice little push up on Thursday. You understand? It's been buy from Thursday and then it consolidate now. So because it's been consolidating for so long, well, not really long, but it's been consolidating the whole of yesterday plus today. So you just decide, say, all right, then we could, you understand? Bust out a little buy up the song. So you literally push up here, so create a new box, come back down and sitting right back in the same area. So right here, so now we can put an alert on there. Because I didn't miss it. Push up, man. One big oil push it just gone with the business like a summer mouth. Let me see watch here. All right, so 75 I set up, guys. 75 1S, we need a little push up until that area. All right, 10 1S, this I'll play about. 25 1S, let's see what I got along with the runner. So when the new day can lie. When the new day can go push up and come down here to go reject. Watch out. Little bit of bias in there, but we don't have enough, we don't have a strong volume there, so we're going to work on. This Africa set up properly for me getting for the sell. So we have to work on with this, guys. So we have to see if we can get it for the sell pan 25 1S. We need a strong break and close below here. Hi, Alicia. All right, so get ready for 25 1S, guys. We'll see if we can take it for the sell. Come down in this area right here. Only if we get the strong break and close. If not, we'll leave it alone. Okay, I have one look style now. When you're ready, you just start reverse by you. That's how it's there. So I got a giant chop so. Right, so we'll get a little bit of retracement there so. All right. So I go on. All right, you see why me wait? See there? I come back or retrace. So if you get the break and close back above, you know, say, you understand the cell not valid. I go and watch it in the meantime. I say, I go on. Watch out. Kuya. So like keep it on. Kuya. You see why I not like call out the cells them? That's the reason why. Because you know, one could get in for no sell, and when you look, you see the market tumble down by you, and you're not ready for close out the trade in a negative for get in for the buy. So that's why I like to sit down and patiently wait out them trade here. Now watch out. Remember now, there's sellers in on the day candle and in on the volume. Yes, son. There's sellers in on the volume right down here, so all right. Everything up here is a line up red, but we have a little bit of buyers that try, yes, and push up back the price. You see that? So the only way I get back into this now, unless me get a break and close below this here right as a now. Yes, son. Because them come down here so come find support. Now, if you get the break and close back above this, you know, so the buyers them take over back the candle. That's why I like to sit and wait. Right, you see the arrow pop up? All right. So that's the arrow telling you that now buyers are coming in. Yeah, son, but we could already see that from the candles and pushing back up. Yeah, son. We never need the arrow to tell you that, but we could already see it, what's going on with the candles. So here we are going now. For us to get into this, we need everything to line up green. Yeah, so I'm glad it's set up like this. So for those who have a strategy, you can, yeah, son, see what's going on. All right, you see what's going on? No, this is when people ask me, why am I not called out for the sell? See the reason there. Why am I not like call out trades to sell? This is the reason why. Let me see what I'm going here. So, right. Anybody on the Zoom have just got the strategy, guys? Everybody have the strategy on their for those who did reset the pay, everybody have the strategy on their trading view or how to access it. Do let me know so I can show you where to go and add it on. You have to have a laptop or a desktop, guys, to add it on. You can't do it on your phone or on your tablet. So you have to have a laptop or a desktop computer to add on the strategy. So while we're waiting to add on the strategy, you're going to go to indicators, invite only, and then you're going to see the Kim Possible strategy and Kim Possible indicator. Once you press on both of them, they should appear on your chart like mine, right? If it does appear, refresh your trading view and then go back and do it again. Then it will pop up. So we're waiting on 25 when it's set up, guys. I shall be going to my bed early tonight. All right, guys, get ready for 25 on this. We're looking to get in for the buy. So you see we have the green candle now, right? We need one more candle to close above the red box. By that time, the EMA should be green and everything else down in the volume should be green on the second candle. So we watch it also go on. Bam. Right? We have the green EMA. We have a solid green candle, but we need volume. The volume bar is still telling us that we need to wait. Right? So we're going to make this one push for the time being. You need a volume to be green because this candle can push back anytime and turn back red or yellow. So we need that to close off and we need the volume to be green. Right now, the volume bar is saying to wait. Remember, I said the yellow means to wait, guys. All right. So you saw this can go push back just now. Pull back right there, so. Down near the volume is still saying to wait. The volume bars. Remember the bar you work with, guys. The bar here, so. These need to be green. The baseline is green, but it's not strong enough. Yeah, son? The baseline and the volume bar should be green. Both of them. Not just one. One set. Yeah, son? So you need both of them to be green. So in this case now, they're not green. They're still saying for us to wait. So we need a little bit more oomph and a little bit more, yes, and volume out here, so. Upper tone. All right, guys, get ready, get ready. Good night, guys. Good night. Welcome in, welcome in. All right, strategy just got out. Step in next to the bar. We're already in there. Just a pull back a little bit. All right, so this 25 one is a pull back here, so how can we get the link to the Discord? I'll send it to you. Did you pay for the strategy, Shanice? I'll send it to your Telegram. Do 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 do. All right. Answering machine. All right, guys. 25 one is to the buy. I'm gonna get in myself, my dear. 25 one is to the buy. I'm here going at the trade late. Like some don't want to make money to, but what is? Right. So now our entry is right here on this candle. All right, change that to blue. All right, go on our 15 minutes. All right, I'm gonna delete. The stop loss goes underneath the box there, so. All right. And then that's you right there upon this trade. So by the time it reach all the way back up here, so it will call out the actual word that says buy. Yeah, son. Because remember, once it enter, watch out. Wrong something delete. Remember, once you enter the trade on a 1 minute time frame, you're not staying on the 1 minute time frame. You're gonna upper your time frame. You understand? So that's how it works. So stop loss for 25 one is 781 778.94. So 781, which one? 781 778.94. Right. So let me. Right. So far, my add step index in there, 101S, 75, 25 1S, 51S. 75 1S, I said that already. 91S. What else we not have in there? We not have 10 and 10 1S in there. It's a 51 is already, yes. So only those two pair missing out of there. So far I managed to add on everything else. Think I need my upload. So I say 75, that's all. 75, 70, yep, 75 one is, yep. Well, that was yesterday, so I need to update the 75 one is one. All right. Unified. All right, so go to Telegram, yes, so. All right, Shanice, I just sent you the link for the Discord. All right, let me see who else. Yeah, I forget the link as well. Rennie, can we get the link for the Discord? Where's it paid out of there? Are you in the group, Jojo? Discord. All right. So let me see. Oh, yeah, okay, you are okay. Right. So let me just give you a brief description of how the alerts works, guys. So hold on a second. Let me share up my screen. All right. So I'm gonna add some more peers on there as I go along. All right. So this is the Discord alerts group for the VIX peers. All right. For those whoever is doing futures, then the futures pairs are different. All right. So once you get into the group, you're gonna see over the corner where it says VIX alerts, right? So if you look right over here, so it says VIX alerts, right? So don't worry about the past ones, the ones that are gone already. You're working with the new ones that just pop up. All right. So in this case, right, not too long ago, it called out 101 is for the buy on the M1. So the M1 means the 1 minute time frame. If you see M5, it means the 5-minute time frame. If you see 15, it means 15-minute time frame. All right. In this case, we're working with 1 minute. I did change them from the 5 and the 15. Yeah, so you want a sniper entry on a 1 minute time frame. So like right here, it says to buy step index on the M1 time frame. You're not going to be using the alerts alone to get into the trades. All right, so like right now, it called out 51 is the buy, VIX 75 for the buy at the same time. So 75 is on the 5-minute time frame. All right, 51 is on the M1 time frame, the 1-minute time frame. So when it just called out, all right, good night. So once it does call out the trades, you're not going to use these to enter on your phone. You're then going to go back to your trading view chart, which is around here. All right. And you're going to find 51S. When you come on 51S, you drop down to the 1-minute time frame, right? And you're going to see if everything line up first. Now, in this case, this was actually accurate because it says buy 51S on the M1. This is 51S on the 1-minute time frame. It did call out a buy, it did call out a sell, but now the candles is pushing back up, so it did trigger a buy at some point. You understand? So all you would have to do is make sure you come back around here, wait until everything line up green before you enter. Right? The next trade that it did call out was 101S. On 101S, everything line up green, but you still need some solid. You still need this to push up a little bit more. In this case, you wouldn't have entered right here because you need this line to turn green. So in this case, you're going to wait until everything line up green on 101S. Right? Let me see what else it call out. Just call out 25-1S. We're already in 25-1S. So let's say you did miss out on the first entry on 25-1S. You understand? You come by your 1-minute time frame, right? Everything line up green. In this case, you have a candle pulling back. So you would wait until it push up a little bit more, wait for a brand new candle, and then you could enter the buy. That's all right. So you see that this case now, yes, you could have entered the buy off of this candle. You understand? So that's how it works. So you're not using the alerts to get into the trade from the alerts. The alerts is just there as a reminder or as a little, you understand, a little nudge to say that, okay, buyers is coming into 25-1S, buyers is coming into 101S, buyers is coming into 51S. You understand? So that's what the alerts is there for. Right? Same thing with the futures side for those who are trading futures. You understand? So say for example, let me see what else did call out just now. So 25-1S, 75, 51S. So let's go to 75. All right. Hi, I'm Karma. Good evening. So VIX 75 did call out a buy, right? But it's actually correct because you have buyers in on the candle pushing back up the price. You understand? So it's warning you to let you know that, okay, get ready. Buyers are coming back into 75. So we do have a green box. We have a green candle. We have green candles pushing up right here. So you see, there's buyers in on this outside of the candle. There's a second one with buyers pushing back up the price. So once you get everything lined up green, the EMA green, you have solid green candle, and you have green volume, then that's your cue for you to enter 75 for the buy. Yeah, so we're going to make it play out in a little bit. So anytime you get the alerts, oh yes, it's suspended. I think I have one more day left. You have one more day left for it not to be suspended. They suspended because I'm showing my screen. I don't know why. Right. So in this case now, once you enter the Discord, you make sure that your notification is on. So like my own, if my phone is locked, let's say for example you're at work or anything, the notification will pop up on your phone, and then you can see what was called out. If it's a case where you see them late, make sure you check on your TradingView app first to see that if the trade is gone already. If it's gone already, and then you know, so you have to go wait until they set up back again. But do not enter the trade if it's gone already. You understand? Now, if it did pull back and it's at the same place, then yes, you can enter if everything is setting up green. But like I said, I'm mainly looking for buys on all of the pairs. Yeah, so because remember, I don't know if you guys notice, the VIX pairs, they don't sell for long. And I'm not a scalper. Yeah, so me sit down all day and wait for the trade for set up. That's how me stay. Right? I am not a scalper, so I'm not going to run in and out, in and out. I don't have time for that. Yeah, so I'm going to sit down and wait for it for set up. You're there on the 1 minute time frame and no time to see set up, gone and run gone about it business. Yeah, so I am not looking for it to what a pullback. What kind of cross talk on so? What savior of his Daniel's Jesus is going on here? Right, so 91 is still below our entry there. So step 100, gone down to Cantibou, go and visit Jesus, go visit L. Let me see what's going on. 25 one is still there paying about. We're still in for the buy of buy alone. We are look for this. So I'm only looking for buy right there. 10-1S. Let's see what's going on. 10-1S. They do a nice push up, you know. Nice buy this. So you just call out back 51S to the buy. All right, we circle you. All right, guys, get ready for 10-1S. So we're waiting for the second candle right there. So. All right. Hi, princess. Good night. Good night. That's why 50 minutes ago. All right. So you see that the strategy call out the 50 minutes to the buy? Right. See the buy here? Right. Everything line up green, but we're coming up to the red box. You see that? We're coming up to the red box. Now, yes, it could have expand it out a little bit and then wait for a second break and close candle. You can do that, but you have to watch it carefully and make sure so you get a strong break and close at the top right here. Yeah, son? That's what this I can do. Right, I would let this run off first. Yeah, I will let that candle run off a little bit first. So yes, we do have everything lined up green, right? But because this candle, they pull back or retest and then you have this one pushing up, I would then wait for it to close properly right there. Right, 10-1S for the buy, guys. 10-1S for the buy. I'm getting a little bit early. So you see where the market had pushed up before, came back down 50%, can retest back this area, right on time. All right, oops. All right, guys, 51S for the buy. 51S for the buy, guys. Wait, let me enter 51S. 51S. All right. I'll give you guys a stop loss for 10-1S now look a bit. All right, so stop loss for 51S. All right, stop loss is going to be 333,056.5. So 333,056.5. So we have 51S, 25-1S, and 10-1S. All right, stop loss for 10-1S is going to be 10076.3. So 10077 point what? Let me just say 10076.3. Let me just say yes. Look at me have I catch shorter memory. Yeah. Almost shorter memory because you know collect this in my life. Right. So we have three main pairs. The step index and the someone that is stop loss gone about the business. I mean there. Never set no stop loss for mine. Cause through me I watch it. But you have to go push up back. That me I tell you tonight, yeah. It have to go push up back. True. Right. So we're still in 91S. And mark and then in the other three. Right. So what's missing from my charts? VIX 10. Right, I'm gonna add it on now. VIX 10 missing. Look like you got an hide. Volatility. VIX 10, see it right there, so. Right, what else we need to add to the chart, guys? I'm not trading normal pairs them, so I'm gonna leave them out of it. We have 100, 100, VIX 100. That's why I like trade VIX 100. The lot size I'm gonna use over there, so might as well me use, me trade it pan, me trade it. I Joe, 15 1S, me have 15 1S now take no tea at all. Myself the new pairs them depend this. Jump 50, 251 is too so for me. I like it. I don't like it. I never like it from day one either. It's good for trade, but it don't make no sense. You know, you trade, you have to use all one big old 100 lot for you make no money around here, so. True. Pan 251 is. Oh, them never add on the new pair them? Volatility index on SMI. I want them SMI. And then broker this year. Before I check that out. VSMI 120. VSMI 210. I was one new companies here. Mid-year. Morningstar dividend yield. TAR. Kaka, watch ya. US 500 Eurozone. Them there indices. CSI. This, that. CME 300 low volatility. Hey. And new things them don't get some there. Now this ain't the pan trading view. What is I want to know? Infinity 500. Volatility 50 index. NSC. You know, so when we did the Obamas the other day, they have the tell me about one company where mimic derive. And then I tell you, we say we must one with people them be careful because them out there mimic the company. Q69M. That's Washington Money says something here. Mid-year. Watch your foot. This is the footsie. I press something about this. But then I have the let me see for them peer. Aye. What for them peer now open for the weekend? Rubbish, let me delete it. Nonsense. Aye, sister two shows come look here. Now say VIX 10 buy down the place running so. Hey, people, you know what we want to swing? VIX 10. Me want to swing the VIX 10 trade here. You see, I see the buyers them in there for the last 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Right? So this is up on the daytime frame, guys. We have volume in on the day. We have volume in on the volume part. Now, guess what happened? This not call out but the buy for the day yet. You see, when this call out the buy, on the day, I gone to Jesus. Yeah, man. Remember, I said this a sell off for what kill fill up now. This been selling off on what kill fill up and dead and ban again at the and what things from way up a song. Yeah, so I'm gonna go up on the time frame and show you something. This thing here, I'm not showing off on the monthly. This been in a downtrend for a while now. See, Right, so yes, I did call out a buy. Yes, it was just a hiccup. So let's say it call out the sell from right here. So this is where the market break the buy, the previous buy. So you have the red box, you have the red arrow, then you have the red EMA right here. So this been selling off since the 23rd of September 2024. You understand me? And up until now, that's a long sell, you know? That's a long sell. You understand it break you so when the market that reverse and then start sell off back again. Right? So at this present moment on the weekly, I can't say much for the monthly, on the weekly, it's telling us that we need to wait, but there's also buyers in on the weekly candle. Remember, so we in our new month as well, and I'm saying new month candle. Yep, the new month candle, buyers is in there. Even though it has to wait, buyers in there right now. When you drop down to the day, this is how it looks on the day. So here we are going. If we can catch an entry from right or so, you understand? Catch an entry from right there so. So your potential TP there all the way up there so. I want a nice piece of swing trade this, you know? And you need to do a put in one nice good money in your account. It's about 20, roughly around 25, 29 days worth of buy right there so. So can you imagine being in that trade for 29 days? If you put on all one good, what's the lowest that size for VIX 10? Let me check. VIX 10, yeah, VIX 10. Let's say you have $500 in your account, guys. You put on all one lot. A one lot, no man, you're supposed to can use either one lot or two lot per VIX 10. And swing it from down here, so guys. May I tell you, say, you're good to go. Let me see if one lot was too aggressive. So one lot, yes. We can use one lot. One lot or two lots on this. Are you good to go? Right, let's see if we can get you now. All right, so we have a new candle right here. So, all right, nice. So it was consolidating a little bit today before it break out. So this I could buy tonight. This I could buy tonight. So because they are consolidate a little bit today, before it break out, it could push up. All right, guys, VIX 10 for the buy. All right, VIX 10 for the buy, guys. Yeah, this I go buy. Look here. I see because it was a little bit choppy in between. It push up. Yeah, so in this case, it wouldn't have come out of the trend none at all. Because remember, the trend line is still green. Yes, and this EMA line was still green right up to now. Yes, and so all you had to do was just get in from yourself and stay in the trade and not come out none at all. Yeah, now you that. All right, guys, this is gonna be the last one, and then I jump off. I go to bed early, like Shirley Biscuit. All right, guys, so VIX 10 for the buy. Stop loss 493.7.2. So 493, 7.2. Uy, brother, you're trying to about that. I tried to pick them. Why look at 51 is run gone to Jesus, me there. Alright, so take time push up, guys, on VIX 51 is. Can not play about this still, but we should get a nice breakout out of that era. That's why 91 is along with Najan Shop. 91 is still just a play about. 25 and it's a pullback. Alright, 10 one is a pullback as usual. 75 almost ready. 75 one is just a play about. 25 one is we'll see if we can get now. I'll go early trade there. So I miss up and I could push up here so right so you know. I we could enter from down here so and go and hold it up there so. Alright, we could go and hold on and wait for this to set up. Then that's what Jamaica do world record to them there. Yeah, see it, yeah. World Athletics post it. Why? Could come true. They call them a go to Beijing. Ah, so World Cup I keep at Beijing? Did I say to me? Not World Cup. Olympics. Which part Olympics I keep? Oh, World Athletics in Beijing in 2027. Okay. That's nice. Watch out. I cannot. Watch out. Then all this money have the cow in them house. What kind of nastiness this year? Where am I brush it cow tongue? Me rotted. Ain't get the cow grass to eat and him a eat cereal and the cow don't want to take the grass. Watch out. Where? What this? Watch out. Man, the cow go for a jog. What them here? Where? What this permit phone screen here so? God don't can't go say in a John shop. You get fed up saying carry the cow going at the pet. Why you can't laugh? Murder to Samantha. Kuya. He carry the cow gun. Alright guys, 25 on for the buy. What is that? 75 guys, 75. For the buy, you're more 25 on is. Big 75 for the buy. Ah, Jesus. I can't bother. Is there some things that people do for views? I can't keep up. Remember, you don't have to take all of them in, guys. Just choose where you want to trade. Alright, I'm gonna give this some space down here, so. Mansion room size, mansion room. Right, stop loss for 75, guys. 3377 6.23. So 3377 6.23. So much trades me call out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Step index I really count because I didn't enter it from early. Plus it did its stop loss. So we're at 91 if anybody did take it. So we in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so they just choose 3 out of it, one trade. The 51S gone with the business. May put on a slightly bigger lot size for 51S. That one good, that's some man that one. Bro, that's a Samantha. We are 1 o'clock already. What is so safe? The call out back stepping next to the buy. And you know, so the alert them accurate. Them accurate, man, them accurate. Them accurate. Can I see it there? It a bounce off of the indicator if you call out the buy and it call out the buy in the alerts. So it a warn you not tell us say here get ready the buyer come up. You understand? It accurate, man. I look at this up. I go to some never close up my trade. Even though it stop loss, we never put on no stop loss for the year. So I'm still there trade. Oh, Jesus, peace. So as soon as this say buy, then we can get in for the bypass step index. And you know, may I tell you something, guys, remember 2 years ago, that's how we grow the first money. The $500 to the 21 to the 20,000, guys. You know what I'm saying? I step index, me trade at that time, the time no know about 91s. Right, guys? You can't get into step index to the buy if you don't want to trade it. Me say, I step index when I use 1 lot, 2 lot. Them the time that the more money in the account, and the bigger the lot size you can use. Me say, people, remember one time me put on the 1 lot on the account for the first time. By the time I quint, you think the future's fast? By the time step 100, move from yes to yes, make $500. Me say the first time I make the mistake and put on the 1 lot to Jesus, me say me frightened. Me say, what is this? For that, I never stop trading step index. See, bad man. But that's something way dangerous, you know. You say if you ever pull back and knock your account, you'll never recover. Oh. All right, guys. Stop loss for step index 7952.7. 7952.7. Yeah, man. When this ready for pull back, you have to have strong heart like how you see we in the future space them. Because remember, say we are trade for life ones, you know. I know we not use proper for trade VIX, we are used with real money. So you know if you over leverage and you use one bigger lot size, you know, see your account gone. You understand? You have to have enough leverage in there for withhold any pullback at that again. And then because most people who are coming in, they don't have enough leverage in their account, so they might try flip $150 to $100 quick and fast, or they might try flip on big money. I say go. All right, guys. So I see everybody in the morning. We're going to see how these trades play out. Remember, I said tomorrow is trading Sundays. So normally, yes, I do free sessions on Sundays. Then we'll go back to normal during the week. All right, guys. Good night. I'll see everybody later on. I go to bed, man. I know I have to find some, dig up and find some rum and lime or something. Because I know my voice sounds so like Kermit the Frog. All right, guys. Later on. See you later, Shanice. All right. Zoomy, zoomy, zoomy.